everyone, welcome to Acholi Real Talk TV, discovering the unknown facts. With you is Elena Sande as the host. This is our first episode of Acholi Real Talk TV in Northern Uganda, Kitgum district. Our topic today is about issues concerning Acholi people in Northern Uganda. In details, the first topic we are going to talk about is immunization program in Northern Uganda. And the second one is mosquito nets distributions in hospitals for pregnant women. And then our third topic is about free iron sheets being given in the villages as resettlement packages to the affected people in Northern Uganda. So today our guest is Aneno Sande. She's from Kitgum district also. So Aneno Sande, you're welcome.
Thank you.
So kita wan weng dong be wakwano paniang le mono aklewe chili wengi. Abi beru ka mixing. Along lewe chili wakle mono ka bot yung nanu peti nyang. Le mono chili is also there. Question 1. Have you heard about immunization schemes for the Acholi people in Northern Uganda? Iramo tiarewa ngo matika time exactly.
Okay, actually, this immunization thing is all about giving hope to unborn children and pregnant mothers. Like if they go for a visit for the first time, they will give you injection. That's for they call it mione me making polio me mako in like if you
Okay.
So for the first time.
Apo mo taking immunization in the market me in board joma ti Northern Uganda ki joma ti kamukam ni. Apo mo ti.
Okay, like I will need a pocket here, but bang into more details. Why? Why are they giving different immunization schemes to people like that?
So itawni tingo ma cha wen ki twala timi oria. No mi argimi ni ki gwemon. Ka fut gitiang gwemon ti ma ni chali chiar ni chal kidek. Oria ma ka fut ngala tinga nyala. Gwemon ti ma no mi chiat gimi pingo gitim kenani.
Okay. Ma tell ki mio making tuanyo in English is measles.
Okay.
Yeah. Mary hepatitis. Wakuma. Miame waki Latin
way.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ma dek polio. Kirong mangwen. Tie me gengo like ka Latin kigene. Nyo tuo mogo tie ma ogwang tie me. Kalo tie fut kenyala ganyala. No one better ma red. Yeah, come in. Yeah.
Okay. Che kumbe ide damno pingo government ti kami yo jemi ni no no kon. But one actually. Pian gen we ni kitimi ana mi no. It's free of charge. I don't know why. Any ideas about it you can tell us?
Government kami yo konye ni pigian matiti me in Northern Uganda actually. Nge wabero kilwen pikar malach. Wabero katime in Northern Uganda. And some part of Uganda mukene when you better pay. So make konyo lutiano wa ma chel we are putting on two mukene. Yeah, like chalo mizogi, hepatitis, polio, kita wali kere ya ma chele. Yeah, kameno.
These nets affect child development. Tumbot wa jo mikumalume Uganda.
Okay. Let's see ki bene actually bene wakirache. Ma tell tiene bene konyo lutiano pemeno to malaria. Me gwakaki ko malaria. No bene ma tell. Okay. Wakadare lokum rache. Rache tiene yilo wangdano kape moyo. Piano mere mo ko chengong for 3 days. Then after 3 days Chiramo chikonengo, iberu kerengo, igena ivurie. Yeah. Mu elningo, right? Pien kelo red eyes be wangdan. Yeah. Kere la tien matiri nyola dia. Kape imoicheng, kelo red eyes, kelo yellow comb, no comlutiano yellow, kere com la diet yellow. Yeah, I think that is it.
But don't you think the fabrics ma you again any timu where go lutiano to bear kiwangi mano lakama kwa which can cause even blindness and come gimano to yield to wenge. Pian anguni those nets can we look from the supermarket. It doesn't. These things which is happening, petty may come down kita net magament and me team make everything down.
Yeah, I think yad magi kero kom net and I kelog jame on pian okay like kafiri wila kachalo like may wila ki supermarket no yad pay you just buy if you want to wash you wash then after entire malo you start using but this one from government umero going imoiting for 3 days then after you can what you can start using it. I think that's the problem. Pian yat mon make kere kom net only. I think that's normatic kelo. Red eyes, itching of the body, then so many things.
So what do you think should be done to stop such treatment from the government? Because as you have said about the nets, there is positivity and negativity from it. So, about the negative part, what do you think should be done?
Actually, I cannot say that government should stop providing people with the net. Yeah, I cannot say that. But people, they should also know that the way kid teach net, they should follow the instructions.
So, the instructions, if you follow,
yeah,
everything will be fine, eh?
Yeah, sometimes though you follow the instructions, that thing will still happen. You get?
Okay.
Yeah, like that.
So now, about our third question, I don't know if you know much about it, but I'll ask you. This is about free iron sheets given to the people in Northern Uganda. Let's say, Rakete refugees. Yeah. Is it true that these iron sheets are creating some health issues?
Yeah. The way sometimes I hear, yeah, it's like that because this iron sheet, look wear with different colors of paint. So only sometimes people get logo pee like this during raining seasons. Pima birone get logo gimaro. So gin mogo ma very like nyale. Yeah, zinc things. No okay, yeah. So people they drink, and it only can create cancer.
It causes cancer. So that's something which is actually not okay here in Northern Uganda. It's not okay because you get infected with cancer. How are you going to treat yourself and you don't have money?
It's hard. It's hard, and that's why many people are there. They're dying because of that.
And this thing is mostly happening in Acholi, in the Acholi sub-regions. So now, I'm going to ask you one question, which is going to be about all of the topic we have talked about right now. So what do you think should be done to stop such treatments by the government?
Actually, like I said before in question 2, that I cannot say that government should stop helping people because of such things that is happening. Because that thing, take a konyo down a camp, like, okay, for example, Dharmatic camp. Yeah, take a konyo ge, pia no gipe, like, the issue of iron sheet, no gipe ki kama gumira go for a year, only gi kero malo, then covering
that one helps.
Yeah, it helps a lot.
Okay.
So yeah, partner watching they should inject ma miro go kwaya po better gamuga only, yet they need.
They need it.
Yeah, they need.
Okay.
Yeah. so it's hard.
Okay.
Only that they should know the ways of using it, not like just like that. Giromo no any piece of cloth mama laying magiromo le kere. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, guys, we are going to stop here for today. Thanks for watching. So, Aneno Sunday, thank you for coming.
You're welcome.
Yes. Guys, thanks for watching Acholi Real Talk TV. You can follow us on Facebook at Acholi Real Talk TV and YouTube Acholi Real Talk TV. Until we meet again for the next episode. For now, I'm your host, Alena Sunday. Bye-bye.
The Most High, Highly King Selassie the First. Patch Iloba Chulikan Mort Gien Mapier attack. Owero Pol Pakara Anangene Gien Mawan Wachao Quere any mort. Chiloga Chila Rio Dek Ma Anawajini Mono Jasuberu Mort.